Symbud Myntri Rangbah Jela bakmi ikatanat transport ba asyang walang dhar ulong ba kasorkar jela kelapan krek ban sedang shim jaka syuk ban Pynheh ke Lynti Liengsuiñ haka Liengsuiñ Umroi hadian kijing kren ba katanat civil aviation kasorkar pedeng ubat dhar la banjur halor kijing mentoi kasorkar maniya cakamat ba projek kat Liengsuiñ ba kedau ba kajing shim jaka kan sa urlong sisian bala shim ya karai ba kado haka jing lang kaman serlong bat ki ofisar katanat sorkar pedeng Gani kasin jam ketemu ban Pynheh ke Pynheh jo kakak Liengsuiñ baki jing don jing em ban kershan ya kilat penyeso nak kebentar kathan
Airport official from the airport authority and the top official from the civil aviation ministry, and the meeting is very clear to move forward with the expansion. Yes, sufficient space, but we have to extend the runway by another roughly say now is 1800 meter, at least minimum it should be 2600 meter, and there is a space by acquiring another additional land this side towards this Umroi. That's why they are here to have a joint meeting with the state government and the civil aviation ministry, and then we'll take a call finally. When that is okay, then we are starting the process of acquiring the additional land.